Boom! Welcome back to the Blood Clot channel. In today's video, I'm going to get the FL5 fix and add some goodies as well. Something that is going to be important in case of an emergency. So let's get right at it. So in the last video, I went to Tail of the Dragon with my car club that I'm in, and I punctured this tire, and I didn't have a spare, but one of the guys in the crew, he have a FK8 and he had a spare, and that's how I was able to get home, put back the puncture tire, as you can see, the flat tire back on the car. And to prevent that from happening again, I found some components that will not let it happen again. So basically I'm upgrading the car. So what I got is a donut in that box right here, a donut wheel, and a lift and jack kit. So let me show you what I got. So this here is a 18-inch spare wheel. It's specifically for this car, or FK8, and it supposedly can clear the front brake. And yeah, so this is brand new, and so that is going to be the spare if I am running local. And you're going to need a jack as well, because this car did come with a jack. So this is what we have going on. This came in the FL5. It's a air pump and a repair kit. This is useless, but the air pump is good, and a tow hook, and this right here. So this is the setup that I have going. This is for an Acura. I think it's an 05, and this is going to be the spare that I'm running. Also, I went ahead and got a new wheel because that one was scratched. So the scratch one, I'm going to keep it as a full-size spare. So if I'm going out of town, I'm going to bring the full-size spare, and if I'm running around town, I'm going to keep the donut spare. So this is what the setup looks like. So yeah, so this is my solution for not being stranded on the road again. It should work out. So, and I'm about to test it out right away. I have an appointment at Discount Tire to get the tire fixed. So this is a perfect opportunity to test out the setup, because I'm gonna drive the spare over there and then swap out the wheel and tire. So let's see if it's worth it. So
Rage on that beat, going crazy. Rage on that beat, going crazy.
As you can see, that kit worked flawless. So there's a spare on the car. There's a wheel that got damaged, and here's the new wheel to replace that one. So yeah, let's go to discount tire to get all of this replaced. So let's go to discount tire to get this wheel and tire replaced. Guys, I think I made a big mistake because I could have upgraded all 4 tires to 265, 35, 19, but at the time I wasn't thinking, so I just got to live with the 265, 30, 19 for the time being. My future plans for it is I'm going to downgrade from a 19 to a 18 inch, and the specs would be 18 by 9.5 plus 40, and the tire is going to be 265, 35, 18. So that's what I'm gonna do when it's time to change these tires. So I'm gonna just run it for now until that time comes. So I made it to discount tire. I'm already checked in, and yeah. So I got the tires replaced. See right here. That's the one that was popped, and I also did this side as well with a newer tire, and we have like 1,000 miles, 1,400 miles. So the front tires were good, and I think the rear tires as well. So in regards to the spare setup, this is how I'm going to rock it. When you do it, you lose some trunk space, but I don't really bring people in here or bring a lot of stuff, so it's sitting under this right here. That is the setup right there. I need to get something to screw this down. So yeah, that's the setup. So that is it, and then I have that one as a full spare. So this is the donut spare.